How to add a manager to your YouTube channel using a personal computer. First, go to YouTube website, click on your profile, then select YouTube Studio. This will take you to your channel's dashboard. In the left sidebar of the YouTube Studio, click on Settings. This will open up a pop-up window with various settings options. Click on Permissions tab. Click on the Invite button in the top right corner. Enter the email address of the person you want to invite. Select their role. Manager is the highest level of access. Click Done to send the invitation. The invited person will receive an email notification with the link to accept the invitation. They will need to accept the invitation button to become a manager of the channel. Once the invitation is accepted, the channel owner can go back to the Permissions tab in YouTube Studio. They will see the newly added manager listed under People with access to this channel. The manager's role will be displayed as manager.